Looking to revamp your space with expert touches? G2G Services has got your back with dependable, top-notch services in home improvement and tree cutting. Whether it's safe and clean removal of trees and trimming, roofing and gutter fixes, painting, plastering, walls and floors, and even paving, we're all about doing it right, being secure, and maintaining our integrity. Regardless of the project's scope, our team is dedicated to bringing affordable, quick and skilled work to your project. Reach out to G2G Services via phone or WhatsApp to help bring your ideas to life.